the mountains stand. Of this place called West Sumatra, where the adventure calls.
From the roaring waves of Padang goes to the last green hills. In every corner of this land,
Nature still thrills. Come and explore the land where